Good morning. My name is Timitaya Rachel Ishala, and this is my assignment on the Chat GPT. So I'm naming this Chat GPT. Okay, so I've written the code, and I'll be explaining the lines of code one after the other. So the first line of code is a sprite to be that's to bring up the sprite man here. Okay, so we're going to the second one is a chat GPT equals to chat GPT. So this function. This function is to what's it called? Integrate the chat GPT extension into a program so that we can have the different extensions that we can use, and we can use different capabilities of the chat GPT. All right, so the TS equals to text to speech is also and the text to speech extension. So we called it up so we can be able to use the capabilities of the text to speech, because the AI assistant we're making right now is that after we ask the question, the AI the question, it should also be able. You should also interpret the text into speech for us. And the third one says prompt equals to sprite.input. So the prompt is like it's a variable we created to be able to say something, but say and also get the input from the user. So when we run this, it's going to say what would you like to ask, and it's going to be a bar for input for the user to put in the question, just like a chat box. All right, then the gpt.ask on GPT a GPT is to make requests. So this function helps us to make a request from the chat GPT, and after it makes the request, it stores the answer. So first is the user putting the question, then this function helps to take the question to the AI assistant and request, okay, this user is asking this particular question, and so that's why we have the prompt variable here. So whatever the user has put in here, this function will return the question there and make requests for the answer, and the answer is stored in a picto block, so it's stored somewhere. All right, so the next block is the answer block, which is the answer block is the one that would bring up the answer that has been stored. So we're going to use a function. So the answer is like if the ANS answer is a variable created to get the result. So we have gpt.chatgpt result, and that one is just to this one will post the response from the ChatGPT. So after asking it on line 7 here, it stores it. So we need to call it back, we need to repost it, we need to bring it up. So that's how we stored it in this answer block. So we're going to the line 9 says sprite.say answer. So answer it already the answer collected. Yeah, collected the response collected from ChatGPT. So it's going to say the answer in like a text box, and then we now have the text the speak answer. So this is going to translate the text to speech. So let's see it. I'm going to try it now. Okay, so it says what would you like to ask. So that's the prompt is equal to sprite.input working here. Okay, so I'm going to say what is research? What is research? Okay, and let's see. Okay, so it's getting the response right now. Okay.
Research is the systematic investigation of a subject or topic to discover new knowledge, gain understanding, or answer specific questions. It involves collecting and analyzing data, reviewing existing literature, formulating hypotheses, and drawing conclusions. Science based on the evidence gathered. Research can be conducted in various fields such as science, social sciences, humanities, and business, and can employ different methods and techniques depending on the nature of the study. The
Okay, so what I know.
H is to contribute to the existing body.
Thank you very much. Okay, so what I noticed here is that okay, even though the text box could not take in all the answers provided by the AI assistant, the text to speech was able to read out everything for us. So thank you for another opportunity. Thank you. Bye.